It's difficult not to be attracted by the idea of earning 480 per day. After all, who wouldn't want to earn that much money every day in a passive way? Imagine that having that kind of money and being able to do whatever you want with it. From extended weekend getaways to just taking care of your daily necessities and even wants whatever you want. It will be possible with the tutorial I'm going to offer you, and what's even more amazing is that it's completely free and open to everybody in the world. Before we go further to this video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First, go to this website, Sellics.com. This is going to be a super easy way to make 480 in one day, so make sure you keep watching. Now scroll down to the very bottom of this website and look for this link right here under the About section where you can see the affiliate program and click on that link, which will take you to this page. Amazon Affiliate Program by Sellics, where you can basically refer the software to other people and earn 100 commission on the first month and an additional 50 commission on the second month. Take note that you will not be selling anything and it will not require your skills or experience. Here's how it works. If people buy this annual plan right here for $259 a month, you can earn $259 right away because, as we mentioned earlier, the first month, you can earn 100% of the commission, and on top of that, every subsequent month, you can earn 50% upfront commissions. So you get 100 commission in the first month, which is $259, and then you can get a 50 upfront commission for the next 11 months. First, let me show you how to create a free account so you can start earning money on this website. To do so, click this button that says Become an Affiliate, and it will take you to a page that says Welcome to the Sellics Affiliate Program, where you can fill in your personal information such as your first and last names, email address, and phone number. Thus, the legal entity type can all be entered quickly and easily by clicking on your individual and then typing in your name. You may now enter your Facebook profile URL link under this website or social media area. And yes, you can earn money through social media, which I will share with you later. Now scroll down the page and fill in the basic information needed for your mailing address. As you can see, they accept people from all over the world, so no matter where you live, you may make money online with this offer. Once you've joined up for a free account, you should be able to get your unique affiliate links by visiting bit.ly.com. If you look down here, you can see how to shorten your link. I also want you to include your affiliate links in this column. Now go ahead and shorten your link by clicking this button. Bitly can help us achieve this by shortening a long URL link to a much shorter one. This is much more efficient and sleek, and you will lead to more people clicking on them, which means you'll make more money online as a result. I'd like you to click copy so that they can copy this shortened link. The next step is for you to go to facebook.com and log into your account. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can create one for free at facebook.com. The next step is for you to go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in the keyword Amazon seller and hit the search button, and you'll be led to this page where you can view numerous search results related to Amazon sellers. And I'd like you to click on this group button right here to properly filter out all of the Amazon seller group results. Before we get to continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. So all you have to do now is click this join button because this group has so many members. They'll ask you a few questions to make sure you're not a robot and that you're a real person. So just answer a few simple questions and then click the submit button. you'll find a lot of people selling things on Amazon in all of these groups, and this is your best chance to refer them to Sellics. If they buy any of these services right now, you can make 150% of the commission. What you'll do now is copy and paste this entire script and then start asking questions like this. Do you want to increase your Amazon sales? And use these 4 simple techniques to attract more customers without spending any money on marketing. And then you'll also share some helpful recommendations with them, and the strategy here is to simply provide helpful advice and value to others because people will trust you if you give this useful knowledge away for free in such Facebook groups. You'll then write something like this in the last sentence. If you want to increase your Amazon sales by 60% to 100%, follow these steps. This is the ideal community to include your Sellics affiliate links so that after people read all of your tips in the Facebook group, they'll finally click on this link and go to this website to get a free trial on Sellics, which will help you make a lot of money because they don't have to pay anything upfront and can try selling for 14 days. Eventually, a large percentage of them will purchase one of these plans as shown here. Let's say you join this AMZ reviews group and people are actually creating a post inside the Facebook group. As you can see, when I scroll down below, this is where you can copy and paste this complete script and template and simply put your bit.ly link on the last sentence. As you can see, I just selected the entire script and copied it, then returned to the Facebook group. It's so simple, so why don't you try it right now on your phone, tablet, or computer and make up to 480 every day. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first ones to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.